Oil change day. All right, well, the generator needs oil, so let's change it. We got our handy dandy oil drain plug. Oh, hell yeah. Okay, so this oil only needed to be changed about 1,000 hours ago. I'm only supposed to change it every 50 hours, so it's only 1,000 hours old. It's nothing. All right. Open it up. Shablow. Open it up. Shablow. Alright, let's do this. If you got a better way of doing this, let me know in the comments. Because I have no idea what I'm doing. Not even a little bit. The amount of knowledge that I have about doing this is so small. Put that in the sun. There's our recycle one. Alright. Let's do this. Let's do this, man. Drain that oil out. Drain that oil out. All right. That's how I know to do it, man. If I'm doing it wrong, let me know, yo. Tips are always welcome. Tips are always welcome. Now we got enough in here. For a refill. Actually, we should have more than enough. More than enough in there. All right, let's do it. A little bit more oil. And we're good, baby. And we are good. A little extra change for the top up. Give this a wipe down. Boom. 5-minute oil change on my fucking generator. Isn't that beautiful? Anyways, stay powered, stay safe. We'll see you on the next one.